Now, let us look into some do's and don'ts for your read aloud task. The first one is the 30 to 40 seconds that you get to prepare. Please make sure that you read the whole text in your mind at least once. Then, look out for the difficult words or the long words that you find in the text. Try and understand the meaning of the text. Why am I doing so? The moment you understand the meaning of the text, you automatically phrase the entire text. That is, you chunk the sentences into phrases. Once you have phrased the text, remember to pause for punctuations and the phrases. Maintain a very moderate pace. Please make sure that you are not too fast, because in that case the computer does not understand the entire word, and also you should not be very slow, so that you make sure that you are within the timeline. You remember this, you are supposed to finish the text in 30 to 40 seconds. And the last thing, but the most important thing, is do not alter the text. When I say alter, I mean do not replace words in the text, do not miss words, or do not add words in the text. For example, make sure you are aware, or you are careful about the articles, that is a, an and the. Do not miss or add these words. Plurals, for example, if the word is dogs, make sure that you're pronouncing the s right. Do not leave it saying dog and move on to the next word. It is dogs with an S, and make sure that you have the plurals, the s, in place. The same goes for tense. If you have a word in the past tense, for example, changed, make sure that you're pronouncing, you're actually uttering this word. For example, changed. Okay, so plurals and tense is something that you need to be extra careful about. One more thing, in case you have a feedback, or you think that this task can be done in a different way, please make sure to let us know. I will anyway be attaching a set of sample question paper for your practice, and you can always write back to us in case you have any queries regarding that question paper. Thank you.